saw this trending video in YouTube. This is a easy batter chapati, and it takes long time to cook. We cooked it for almost 20 minutes, and it takes a lot of manual efforts of dabbing tissue paper over the chapati and flipping it, again dabbing it. So it took a long time, but actually the product did not work out as we expected. For such a long time, it is a complete flop product. When we try to open it, it is all sticky and it is completely undercooked. It is not edible right now. So instead of this, what you can do is try the regular dough based chapati and add this grated sorted vegetables like carrot, garlic. You can add any preferred vegetables of your choice and make it healthy. Garlic has allicin, so don't miss garlic portion. Add any vegetables of your proportion and try to eat healthy. So drop this method and try the normal chapati with stuffed vegetables.